Holy cow. Welcome back, guys. Steve, Almetal Driving, almetaldriving.com. I'm doing it again. I'm working on a Saturday, but there's a reason. But, long-time customer, I'm on the outside. Barely any airflow. I mean, it was like in the low 500s. So, this one may be a little bit abbreviated, but you know the drill. I'm gonna go in and turn the dryer on. While it's running, I'm gonna put my brush through it, and we're gonna watch a whole bunch of it come out. All right, and we're inside now. And he has a periscope, but saying it's taking multiple cycles. I know why. Great machine. Let's see, time drive. Matter of fact, well, I can't tell. So we'll put this up here for now. Okay. Maybe this one won't let it start. Okay. Duh. All right, guys. Like always, dryer's running. Well, there's no airflow. Zero. All right. So let's clean it out. If you haven't already, please hit that like button. It helps more than you know. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Trying to throw my reach out there as far as I can, you know, spread that net. Because I want to keep bringing you guys good content. So with that, let's get back to it. Yeah, there's a lot in here, guys. I gotta change these angles here so y'all can see this better. I just felt one clog. Oh yeah, I'm taking multiple videos of it.
Yeah, I was gonna say that in my life.
Yeah, we didn't have any airflow out here, dude. And I'm not done yet. We're still not where we need to be.
Well, that's,
but there's still a lot in there.
because it's a long ride.
It's a long ride.
Okay. Thanks,
Yep.
man.
You got it, my friend. I'll let you know what I find. bet I know why the dryer's not working. There it is. Look at that. Jeez. Jeez, man. Well, we already have better airflow than we had, that's for sure. But, gee. Try to go in there again. Holy cow. All right. Dude, and look at this. I mean, this is thick. All right, guys, look, thick. Only thing I can do now, I've got to put high-powered air through it. I don't have a choice, so I'll be back. All right, so, like I said outside, I've got to put some high-powered air through this. So, handy electric leaf blower gets it done every time. So, and the beauty of using the periscope is open the door, pull it out, and you're disconnected from the vent. See that? Now, I already have it turned on, but not plugged in. So now it's plugged in, pushed into the periscope. I'm going to push the dryer back. Bam. Here we go. Run the brush through it again while I have the blower in there. Why not? Now I'm up in the elbow. So not much more, but, and guys, keep in mind, this thing is old. I just don't have a good heavy duty metal one on the truck. So I'll be coming back next week to put that on. But at least I know we have some air. Now, granted, that's with the blower. So take it for what it's worth. But now let's go inside, put it back together. Okay. So now I'm just inspecting inside the dryer. All right, and with the periscope, it just slides right back into place. Is that online? Just about. Bam, 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 baby. All right, so now let's turn it on. Go outside and check that airflow. So let's check some airflow. It's better for sure. Yeah, so I mean, it was mid fives before. Now we're pushing. Let's check and see that temperature. Let's wait for it to rise. Oh yeah. So we doubled. It's a long vent, guys. That's all there is to it. Mission accomplished, guys, because again, this is a good machine. It just has a long way to go. It's bending a long way. So Steve, Al Metal Driving, almetaldriving.com. Check out my Periscope. It's phenomenal. I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Love you all.